Telescope, right? Let's talk about starlight. So, if you can imagine, this is sunlight pouring down on Earth. Okay? Light travels in a straight line. So we have light coming from the sun and we have light coming from the stars pouring down on Earth. But guess what? Something gets in the way. Everyone take a deep breath and blow. What gets in the way of this light? Air. Air, is there anything there? Yeah, air is a soupy mixture. Air is a soupy mixture of ingredients. So what exactly are you folks breathing? Tell me some of the things in air. We have oxygen, water, oxygen. What do plants need? Carbon dioxide. We have nitrogen. Now on this island, sometimes we can see our air and it's very dirty and it's from our volcanoes. So our air also has some sulfur in it. So we have air. Air is a soupy mixture. So something happens to light when it hits our air, and this is what happens. What's going on with this water?
It's going everywhere.
It's splashing all over. So this is what's happening to our sunshine and to our starshine. Is when the light hits our atmosphere, what does light do? How can light bends? It reflects and it refracts, right? So what we're looking at is, have you folks ever looked up and saw the stars twinkling? We're looking at the twinkling of stars right here. The twinkling is from starlight hitting our atmosphere and hitting the air. So what does this mean when we try to study this light with telescopes and take pictures of it? It means twinkling stars makes very fuzzy pictures and it's hard to study. So we need to do something about it. And this is what we can do about it using telescopes. We can untwinkle the stars, and some of our telescopes have adaptive optics, which means it can correct for the twinkling of the stars. So we're talking about untwinkling the stars using our telescopes. Yeah, basically that's what it's doing. We are untwinkling the stars so we can take a clear picture. So let's talk about the telescope itself. You guys can stay right where you're at.